In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the sender email on Mailchimp. This is really useful if you've updated your branding, switched domains, or simply want your emails to come from a more professional address. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to update and verify your new sender email inside an existing campaign. First, log into your Mailchimp account using your usual credentials. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. There, you'll see a navigation menu. Click on the option labeled Campaigns. This will open a list of all the campaigns you've created in your account. Take a moment to find the specific campaign where you want to change the sender email. When you've located it, look to the right side of that campaign's row. You should see an option to edit the campaign. Click Edit. This will open up the campaign builder where you can adjust all the main details before sending. On this campaign overview screen, you'll see several sections. The To section, which controls your audience, the From section, your email subject, the send time, and of course the content of the email. For this tutorial, we're focused on the From section. Click on From to expand it. You'll now see the current sender name and sender email address that are set for this campaign. Click into the email address field, delete the existing sender email, and type in the new email address you want to use as your sender. As you type, Mailchimp will recognize that this is a new address. A drop-down will appear with an option that says Verify a new email address. Click that option. A pop-up window will appear letting you know that Mailchimp needs to verify that you own this new email address before allowing you to send from it. In the pop-up, click Send Verification Email. Now head over to the inbox for the new email address you just entered. In a moment, you should receive a message from Mailchimp containing a verification code. Open that email and copy the code they provide. Go back to your Mailchimp window. In the verification pop-up, paste the code into the field provided, then click Verify. Once the code is accepted, your new address will be verified and set as the sender for that campaign. That's all you need to do to change the sender email on Mailchimp and make sure it's properly verified before sending.